Guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I am going to be doing a slime video. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, I'm all set up. All I need to do is stand you guys there and then we can do the slime video. Sorry if you don't really see me in the video, probably because I'm moving things. Plus I've got to keep the phone on charge because it's not long until I'm getting a badge, so don't need to worry. I'll scribble it out. Okay, so here's the slime. Ooh. I had to pre-make it. It was store-bought slime. I changed the colour of it. My best friend from school, I'm not going to say her name, but what I call her is TT. And yeah, she gave me some pink slime. Well, some white slime. I coloured it in pink with a highlighter, added it to this, and that's how I got this consistency. First it was like that, where it just broke, but yeah. I don't really want to see people in my video. Okay, so I'm going to get closer so you guys can hear the crunches. If you don't hear the crunches, just remind me. And yeah, comment down below what you liked about the slime. Like it if you thought it was a really good slime. And press the down video, whatever it is, the down thumb, if you like. The slime wasn't very good, but it was very good. Or just comment, you don't have to press the thing. Plus, last week, I had 2 subscribers. Now I've got 6 subscribers. I am quite thanked. I took a video of the sky, I think a few days ago. My nan sent it to her brother. Her brother sent it to this YouTuber that does stuff about the sky, like up in space and that and everything. I don't know. His name's Steve, or Steve, I don't know. My nan said Steve or something. And then I got in the video with me and my sister, and since then I've had loads of subscribers. So keep hitting that bell, hitting that subscribe button, that like button, and let's smash that subscribe button, smash that bell button, and let's carry on with the video basically. And I'm gonna be doing mostly now, I'm going to be changing my videos from I will be doing dramatic videos, prank videos, slime videos, but sometimes I will be doing videos at midnight about the space. Right, so tonight I'm going to do one very quick one. I'm going to try and get a picture of the moon, well not a picture, like a video. Once this video is uploaded, it's going to be tonight, obviously. And yeah, without further ado, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, comment down below, and up high, press that thumbs up. Down in that corner, please don't press the sad thumb, because I'll get very sad. Okay, keep smashing that subscribe button. Bye! And let's do an ASMR before you go.